morning to one and are present here. We the student of UKG are presenting today's assembly on the topic of being happy. Now let's celebrate the little woman that makes us shine and connection. We share that complete our spirit. Thank you. School studies, attention. Studies, attention on the prayer begins. तू प्यार का सागर है, सागर दया का तू है। तू प्यार का सागर है, सागर दया का तू है। तेरे प्यार के सागर में हम बदलना चाहते हैं। तेरे प्यार के सागर में हम डूबना चाहते हैं। तू प्यार का सागर है, सागर दया का तू है। तू प्यार का सागर है, सागर दया का तू है। तू प्यार का सागर है, सागर दया का तू है। Please take position for the pledge. India is my country, and all Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country, and I am proud of it. Rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive the of it. I shall give my parents, teachers, and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion in their well-being and prosperity alone. That is my happiness. Good morning to all. Today, first thought for the day is happiness is the secret to all beauty. There is no beauty without happiness. Thank you. Have a happy day. सुप्रभात। आज का सुविचार यह है कि खुशी एक ऐसी भावना है जो आपके सपनों को नए पंख देती है। धन्यवाद। आपका दिन शुभ हो। Good morning to all. We the students of UKG are presenting a rhyme based on the bus. On the bus goes round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus goes round and round all day long. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 swish. The wipers on the bus go swish, swish, swish all day long. The horn on the bus goes blip, 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 blip. The horn on the bus goes blip, blip, blip all day long. The wheels on the bus go spinning on the bus. The wheels on the bus go all day long. To present a story, Lion and the Mouse. Once upon a time, there lived a lion who ruled the forest. One day, the lion was sleeping under a tree. A naughty rat came and jumped on lion's body. The lion got disturbed and he caught the rat. The rat got scared and requested lion to leave it. One day it will also help him. The lion laughed, and said that the rat was too small to help him. Anyway, he let the rat free. One day, the lion was trapped into hunter's net. He roared, and hearing this, then the rat came out of the hole. It quickly tore the net and made the lion free. The lion thanked the mouse while saying that he was wrong. Even the small creatures can have the bigger ones. Moral of the story is, whoever it be, whatever size is, always help each other. Thank you. Our happy day.
Good morning to all. Some amazing facts about happiness. First, happiness can help people to live longer.
Second, happiness is associated with success.
Third, you must learn to laugh and smile before they can speak.
Fourth, happiness can be good for the body, helping to boost the immune system. Thank you. Have a happy day. काव्य अच्छा संदीप and accent time.
आ गया हो मिष्टी
I'm so happy.
giving us this opportunity.